Boehringer Ingelheim BioXcellence is one of the world's leading companies for contract manufacturing of biopharmaceuticals. We provide a one-stop shop which reflects the entire process technology chain in development and production. From filling and lyophilization to visual inspection, our global manufacturing network effectively and flexibly responds to your needs. We are well aware of the responsibility that comes with manufacturing biopharmaceutical products for patients. This is why our biopharmaceutical manufacturing plants operate under state-of-the-art cGMP and are approved as such. We have a long history in the field of biotechnology, having been in the industry for more than 35 years and in contract manufacturing since 1995. During that time, we have helped our customers bring more than 30 molecules to the market. Currently, Boehringer Ingelheim BioXcellence operates 4 first-class biopharmaceutical manufacturing facilities worldwide. The Biberach site in Germany houses one of Europe's largest biopharmaceutical plants for the development and manufacture of therapeutic proteins and antibodies from mammalian cell cultures. At the Vienna site, we manufacture therapeutically active recombinant proteins and pDNA from microorganisms and yeast. Our 300,000 square foot multi-product manufacturing facility in Fremont, USA is dedicated to the manufacture of monoclonal antibody therapies and other proteins from mammalian cell culture technology. With our new site in Shanghai, we have initiated our strategic move to become a leader for contract development and manufacturing of monoclonal antibodies and recombinant proteins in China. We are operating an open, disposable platform and can adapt to specific client requests. Our globally established concept allows us smooth transfers to all and between different Boehringer Ingelheim sites. Producing value with Boehringer Ingelheim BioXcellence. Contract manufacturing according to your needs. Work with a partner you can rely on.